What I miss? What's up, world? It's your boy Ezekiel, aka Mr. Free Game. Welcome to Free Game Nation, where I give you nothing but free information. You know what I'm saying? Take it how you want it, but I guarantee you, if you put good out into the world, good will come back to you. Now, man, we got to get in this thing today and talk about GameStop. Man, did y'all see these gains overnight? I was like, man, what's going on? Don't get caught slipping out here. But hey, you know, today we're gonna go over these gains. It was a great day for GameStop yesterday, and we're gonna talk about why and how this happened, you know, and what to do from here on out if you have any stock in GameStop. So without further ado, let's take it to the portfolio. All right, so jumping straight into this portfolio, as you can see, we are up on the day. We hit 37,000, you guys. Hey, that's a lot of money. That's okay, man. You know, but wait, we on the go to 100,000 this year. First step on that goal is 50,000. Once we get 50,000, man, I might celebrate. You know, $400 we up today for the week. We up about 300. That's almost 1% for the month. You know, we up 11% at 3,600. Those good gains right there. And 3 months out, you know, we up 69%. But hey, let's get straight to gains. All right, let's jump into GME. Ticker symbol GME. That's GameStop. As you can see, man, they up $11 on the day. Is $88, $87. Going up and down is 14% for today. $50 for the past week, man. I don't know what they got going on. For the month, $66. Now check me out, man. You guys, I only got 3 shares. Ooh, that's that hurt, and it hurt because I'm a gamer. My whole family of gamers, my son's gamers, my brother's gamers, and I knew about this stock. Let's see when I bought my first 3 shares. I bought my first 3 shares in March of 2020. March. Now that's when everything was popping off, you know what I'm saying? The vid was real. It was coming through. And you know, they say he who has money in the recession is king. Yeah, we weren't going through a recession, but hey, we was going through a pandemic, so a lot of things dropped, and I jumped on them. So with that being said, man, check out my position. I'm up 3,300%. That's what you call gains right there. Now, if my average cost was $2.57, you guys, $2.57. Man, I wish I had loaded the boat. Now, for anybody that's joining on with Free Game Nation right there, you know, right now, you know that we purchase at least 50 shares of a stock. At least 50 to 100 shares of a stock. And then once we do get that big pull, that big run up, we sell off some and take some profit. Now in this case, because I kind of missed the boat on this one, I mean, I still got some gains, but I don't want to exit out my full position. So I'm gonna go back 1 week, and I see that the high yesterday, day before yesterday, was 139. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a limit sale and take some of these gains. So GameStop sitting at $88 a share right now. What I'm gonna do, how you do a limit share? You tap trade, you go to sell, you go right up here where it says shares, tap shares, go down to limit order. put in the price that you want to sell your shares at. For me, I know that GameStop shot up to $139. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my limit sale to 120, hoping that it go back up and spike out at 120 again, and then everybody sell off. I'm gonna do extended hours. That means I want to try to, maybe it might do it after market hours. I want to catch it after market hours. And I'm gonna hold it for up to 90 days. So if it happens within the next 90 days, they gonna sell this one share and they will credit my account $120. Press review, swipe up, boom, you just set a limit order. Now, I'm also gonna set another one at $100 a share. Sell, share, limit order, price. We're gonna do $100. Continue, extended hours, 90 days, one share. Swipe up. Boom. Now we got 2 limit orders set, 2 limit sales set. So if this bad boy spike up again, we gonna catch that, and hey, we gonna get paid. We're gonna take that money and invest in something else. Now, I would stay in this position normally if I had about 50 to 100 shares, but because I only got 3 shares, best thing for me to do is to jump out and take some of these gains. And that right there is how you finesse the market. Now it says the WallStreetBets community, which has more than 2 million subscribers, has turned GameStop into a meme stock. It has value because a small number of people decided it would be fun and potentially profitable to pretend it had value. They pretending out here, you know. Other people want to end on the fun and the profits, of course, and suddenly it had real value. Now they say the value is real. You know what I'm saying? Value is real. But unlike most internet memes, there's big money to be had here. Some WallStreetBets users are claiming massive overnight gains as GameStop stock continues to defy typical market physics. Community pressure to hold for more gains rather than sell is intense, as the gravy train only lasts as long as a major sellout can be avoided. I'm not selling this until at least 1,000 GMs. Well, first of all, I'm gonna stop you right there. Now, if you jumped into this per this article, wait a minute. Y'all need to see my face for this. Hold on. All right, now, if you just listen to that article, they just said that GameStop is a meme stock. That means that it ain't real. So don't jump into a heavy position in this stock as of right now, because it's gonna be a major sell-off and this stock is gonna drop. And if you jump in right now at $80, $90, you're gonna potentially lose some money. Now that right there is just a little free game from your boy, Mr. Free Game. Me, because my position, because position is everything in the stock market. My position at $2.50, $2.60 a share, I can't lose, so I can actually ride it out and see what happens. Now, if you jumped in $30, $40 a share, then I would say, hey, ride it out, see what's going on, take a little bit of your gains, take some of your profit right now, and then ride it out to the moon to see what's happening next. But for me, in my mind, from the information that I just read, this stock is gonna go up. It's gonna go back down. So, hey, this just a little free game from your boy, Mr. Free Game. You know, tune in to Free Game Nation. You already know, keep God first in everything you do. Don't chase money, let it chase you. Write your goals down. If you can see it, you can see it through. Holla at your boy. Oh, the quote of today is, only those who risk going too far can possibly find out how far they can go. Think on that. I'm not gonna make the same mistake I made in my last video. You guys don't forget to like this video, share this video, and if you love the content, so Free Game Nation, before I can even post my video, GameStop shot up to $222. It really shot up to all the way up to $244 per share. So what happened? I got both of my sale limits, my limit orders. They cashed them out. And what I did was I just sold my last share at $214 a share. So boom, I took that $7.70 investment and turned it into about, say, let me see where I'm at today. My buying power is $491. That's all from selling GameStop today. And I tell you what, if you want to jump in it, you can jump in it. But the way it's moving up and down right now, I'm going to leave it alone and let that stay for the birds, you guys. It's all about finessing the game. And right now, the big money sharks is on GameStop, making it jump up and down and up and down. I wouldn't mess with it right now, you guys. If you wasn't already in it, ain't no need to jumping in and no $200 a share. But that's just a little free game from your boy, Mr. Free Game. I'm going to tag this on the end of the video. Y'all know how I roll. Keep God first in everything you do. Don't chase money. Let it chase you. Holla at your boy.